Hi, it's Melissa with Owned Real Estate. I'm here at our new listing in Pacifica to do our contractor walkthrough, which is part of our pre-listing process. Follow me. Here we are in the living room. As you can see, we'll be doing a full renovation of this space. We wanted to capture the essence and atmosphere of the beautiful outdoors that we find here in Pacifica. And we also wanted to keep some of the natural elements that we found in this room. We really liked this wooden wall over here, so we'll be keeping that. To brighten up the space, we decided to be painting the beams, keeping the beams with the dark wood color, but the slats with a white color, which will open up the space and create a really bright, airy, and peaceful feel. Over here, there is still more of a wooden wall, but in order for it to match and be more consistent on this side, we have decided to put some sheetrock over here and paint it a very neutral and warm white. The fireplace we'll be keeping as is to keep the warm tones that we have on the ceiling and to go in line with the natural feeling of this room and space. And here we will be adding brand new hardwood floors. We found hardwood floors throughout most of the property, so we will be matching it in terms of lightening the hardwood that's already existing and changing it to a little bit less of a yellow tone and more to a white tone. And we'll be adding that same color here and also in the kitchen. The reason why we're changing out the countertops is because it's a darker color. We want to change the countertops to anything a little bit lighter, brighter, and more neutral to create a bigger space and to create that contrast between the countertop and the cabinets. The countertop here will also have the matching backsplash that will go across throughout this entire space, as you can see. Other work that we're going to be doing is repainting the walls in that same soft white and also replacing these light fixtures to recessed lighting, which creates a more modern and clean look. As I mentioned before, we found hardwood floors throughout most of the property, and as you can see, this is some of the hardwood floor. There is a little bit of a yellow tone in it, which can make the room feel a little bit less modern, so we will be staining and treating it to brighten, lighten, and bring more of a white tone out of these floors. And for the fireplace here, we have chosen a matte black to create the contrast between the fireplace and the wall. Bedrooms usually require a little bit less work. We normally touch on flooring, lighting, and painting. In this bedroom here and throughout the rest of the bedrooms in the property, we'll be continuing using that fresh, soft white throughout all the walls and the ceiling, adding in a light fixture and staining the floors. Here we are in the second bedroom. A few more things that we'll be adding within each of the bedrooms is replacing these closet doors to something more modern, also with a mirror to create a larger space. Anything with a mirror has a reflection, which will create a more bright, airy, and large look. This is one of the 2 bathrooms that we have throughout the property. We're doing a full renovation of the space. This includes changing the vanity light, vanity mirror, vanity cabinet. This is a stand-in shower. We're going to be creating a marble look from the floor coming up across this baseboard here and then down the wall on all sides of the shower. We'll be installing a glass sliding barn door for the shower as well, and a new toilet and some shelving. And here we are in the second bathroom. We'll be adding in new lighting here, vanity mirror, vanity cabinet and sink, as well as a new toilet, adding in a new tub, and also creating a peaceful and serene look with some white marbling across the backsplash and adding in a light wooden tile floor. A lot of times basements tend to be unfinished, but it can be a really great addition and bonus for potential buyers when they're coming to tour the space, where we'll be doing a full renovation of this space as well. We'll be ripping up the carpets and adding in that hardwood floor that we did in the upper level, as well as doing that same fresh interior paint in that soft white to create a consistent and bright look. We'll also be adding in some light fixtures to brighten up the space and create a more airy feel, even though we're in the basement.